Hi everybody, welcome to Tidepool 0.0.12. I spent most of this version in shared server realm, valiantly trying to get the Tidepool to Storymill connection happening beyond my own machine. I was having some trouble with Enterprise Java Beans that I just couldn't figure out. After about 20 hours of banging my head against the same brick wall, trying things like ear files and Glacius 4 and Java EE 7 and all sorts of different things, just not being able to figure out what was going on. I finally figured out, and it was something painfully simple. On my server, in the etc. host file, I needed to move the machine name Europa from this line to this line. So after 20 hours of trying to solve a problem, it literally was moving one word, one line. Anyway, once I got done with that nonsense, I was able to do the next version, which was client login and sign up. So let's have a look. So now when you run Tidepool, you first see a nifty login box. This area up here is called the marquee, and this is actually a little tiny web browser that pulls up a page from the Kismet website. What's cool about this is that I can make changes to this page and it automatically shows up for everybody who's starting Tidepool. So I can change the quote, I can put news, I can do all sorts of things. So let's put in my username and password and click play. See a little progress bar down here shows that it's synchronizing your cache with Storymill, and then it opens up a new world. So let's close the program and do it again. This time I'm going to click sign up. Brings me directly to the sign up page. It turns out that I was already logged in. Normally it would look like this. So I'm going to type in Elmer and create an account. And I should be able to type in Elmer right now. Click play. So now I can switch between these two players. So let's do something that actually makes a difference in the world. Alright, so I have one crystal in one house, and I'll grab this thing over here too. Now I'm going to run the program again, but this time I'll be back as my own person. So not Elmer, but Tfal. And I'm going to click remember this time so that I don't have to type my password in all the time. Here I'm going to make a mistake and show you what happens. Down here it shows the version, but it replaces with bad username or password if you do that. So let me get it right this time. Click play. Loads it up. Synchronizing my local cache with the server cache. Spent a lot of time doing that, by the way. That's another issue that wasn't listed. Alright, as you can see, I don't have anything here because I'm Tfal. And let's get a couple of things here. How about this thing here? Dragon Chicken of Hypnotizing. Alright, I'm going to close the program, run it again. This time I'm going to run as Elmer. So right now you can see that this moment here where you log in is when it synchronizes. The next issue we're going to have it so that it synchronizes continuously. Alright, there's the house and portal that Elmer had. And just to really drive the point home, let's log in as tfal. And now it should be said too that both accounts are using the exact same data on the shared server at this point. So, and there's a flower and the dragon chicken of hypnotizing. So that's all there is to it, the client login box.